Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a seller follow-up sequence in Podio. What is a seller follow-up sequence? A seller follow-up sequence is a series of automated emails and/or text messages that are sent to sellers over a period of time. The goal of a seller follow-up sequence is to stay in touch with sellers and encourage them to move forward with you. Why is it important to create a seller follow-up sequence? Creating a seller follow-up sequence is important for a few reasons. First, it helps you to stay top of mind with sellers. Second, it gives you an opportunity to encourage sellers to move forward with you. To create a seller follow-up sequence in Podio, you'll need the following apps. Seller leads, add fields with basic seller information like name, property address, phone, and email. Also, add relationship fields for the seller follow-up sequence template and active follow-up sequence. Message templates, add fields for message, email subject, email body, and title. Seller follow-up sequence template, add relationship field for message templates app, and date fields. Active follow-up sequence, similar to seller follow-up sequence template. All running and completed follow-up sequence will be stored here. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.